I don't like it. I already don't like it. Okay. So I can also... Bravery. Fortune. There's not many places I can hide this for. There you go. Yeah, so there's dogs here. The dogs are super annoying because I don't think you can stealth kill them. You either sleep dart them, but then whatever. You'll see it later. Piss fish. Oh god! No! That's not what I wanted! Loot cache. Oliver, I've taken the loot we've gathered and stashed it in the incinerator room. It's under the dead hound, so nobody will dig around and find it. Look through your strictures to figure out the door code. Lying tongue, wandering gaze, errant mind. I trust you're devout and clever enough to figure it out. Oh, and be mindful of rats. More and more have been gathering since old Finn keeps forgetting to burn the hound corpses. Burke. Someone burned them. Whelping and training hounds. Whelping? That does not sound good. Oh, I heard footsteps. Oh, fuck. See? See what they make me go through?
I shit bigger than you.
What? Can I do this? Fuck. I think I can. Excellent. Goodbye. Your days are over.
Someone's supposed to be on duty.
See.
Nice.
Piss vision. I'm sorry. Oh my god. No, I'm brave. I'm brave, I'm cool. I'm sexy. Exceptionally sexy, actually. I think that's the last human. Which is good. Space. Go.
Nice. Someone there? Guard, to me.
Nope.
Die.
I pressed it. I did. I'm sorry. More cannot be coming, because unless they pull the alarm, more guards aren't supposed to spawn if they weren't already around. Sorry. Also, I realized that I thought that I said I need to get a pillow for my bed, and I thought I meant chair, but I meant my butt. Just said it in a funny way. Sick hound. Gracious has fallen ill. I've gone to fetch some medicine for the hound, but in the meantime do not open his cage. He's prone to fits of violence, and this would endanger the other overseers in the building. Signed, Houndmaster Wharton. So, I guess I could let this guy out, and then he would Make easy work of the guards? Is that what you say? Perhaps. It is of utmost importance that you do not open this cage without my approval. Voracious is ill and quite temperamental. Temperamental? Temperamental? Should this cage be opened, he might attack and endanger anyone patrolling the kennel. Okay. That also counts as chaos, so I'm not gonna do it, though it would be fun. Hello? Lever elsewhere. What cage is this? F? F. The 7 strictures! This is this is what this note refers to. So it says lying wandering errand. Lying wandering errand. 217. 217. 217. 217. 217. 217. 217. I have a issue with numbers in English. I know them and everything, but when I have to remember them, I kind of have to say them in Hungarian for them to sink in. That's not fun. I have to kill these or they will kill the guards that I stashed. I think it's fine. I think when they're like this they no longer count as a swarm. Excellent. Oh, babies. Alrighty. I read that as to Samuel the Batman. But you can press the heart and then it tells you stuff about people and places. Oh boy. I'm gonna tell you when I save scum, okay? Okay, this is good. This is good. Wait, I'm outside here again? I thought I was at the backyards. Why was I here? Okay, the candles again. I'm back at the fucking building. Nope. Sorry. That's stupid. Don't answer that. Alright, let's make my life more difficult. And hopefully more entertaining for you guys. See, that's the guy that's gonna piss on me. What's that? I'm not sure. Can I? No. Yeah. Oh. Alright, alright, alright. Where the fuck am I? It should be fine, right? Nope. That? Nope. That? Nope. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm big again. I'm tall. Just have to go around. So what time is it? Is it noon? It's almost noon. I have D&D later, and I changed the plot a little bit. And I should be preparing, but a little later. Off the cuff. Easy. I'm the DM, by the way. If it wasn't obvious. From my witty commentary. I'm sure there's a different way to the backyard, and this is gonna screw me over. I know there's like a better and a worse.
Mother, she will burn. All witches must burn.
Bertold, don't let them take me! I
Berthold?
swear I've done nothing wrong!
Silence your lying tongue. Die, damn it!
Me? Oh. What's up?
You appeared as if from nowhere. We would both be dead if not for you.
It's Joe.
We are forever in your debt. I cannot thank you enough.
I must
welcome.
get my sister to safety. But first, I may know of a way to thank you.
There's a safe in the bunkhouse. The combination is 203. Take what you want, and good luck.
I'm literally 12 years old. Anyway. Okay. That went well. Okay, so Berthold. I hate this part. I actually like it, but you know, it's it has like the hounds that I find so hard to deal with. Excited to edit out all the quiet moments where I'm looking for what key to press. I actually quite like editing. The volume thing is annoying, but otherwise it's fun. Alright. Piss? Or pissing? Anyone else? About to piss? Hello. May I introduce the world of pissing to you? In the trash they go. The trash. A place where rats famously don't go to. Hello. Fucking swag, dude. Tales for children. I'm sure that's Blue-jawed hagfish. Someone turned into no, why? Did they keep children here? Well, obviously, yeah. I don't need all this. Keep it for the abductee manifest. Manifest? No, manifest is the verb. Manifest is the noun. The following children have been brought to Godfrey's farm awaiting passage to Wycliffe on the 13th day, month of seeds. Jude Thornton, those are the names. Ration allotments. Oh, that's not a lot of fucking rations. If I had... Oh, I have runes, right. So, if I had taken possession, I could, I could possess rats and go fun places. My thing with possession, but it stresses me out because there's a time limit. Do you know how I feel about time limits? I don't like them. Leave me alone. Let me do my thing. Can't tell me what to do. Is there a... I'm actually not annoyed. I love exploring. And as always, I'm fantastic at it. Are there dogs here? Beep beep. Beep beep. Oh, there's these bitches here. No. Trevor. We're going to need another shipment of tools to destroy these accursed bone charms. Though we managed to break down over a dozen last month, there are more coming in from all over Crystal, and the things are remarkably resilient. Edgar. Not bored. Just tired. Bone charm situation. Okay. That was nice. If you don't know this story, I'm so excited for you. I googled, just searched for all over the internet for like Dishonored playthroughs and such. Is there a person up here? And you know, often results you find are from Reddit. People are like, the story sucks. And one thing about Arcane is that the stories are not always the best. I completely admit that. But I don't think it's that bad. Like you're looking for a kid, and then maybe you find the kid, and then you have to clear your name. And that's a perfectly fine story. Ugh, see the fucking hounds! Should I? That's what's bothering me, that I have to use sleep darts on them. If there's another way to deal with hounds, then I do not know it. Okay, well that's one guy down at least. There's also a tool that they have, which I hope I will never activate, but it's like a suppression tool for my powers. It's like a music box. And just does that. It negates my powers. It's rude. Piss. Piss vision. Oh, piss vision. Very much in the open. Very much don't want to be here. Nice. See? There's another way. Wanna clear that thingy, and also that thingy. Oh, there's an exciting scene there. Well, exciting, I say. I don't know what's exciting for other people. I'm used to finding things exciting, and then people are like, that's actually boring, so you suck. I think there's only a window that I can observe it through.
No, it's just a little cough. I'm fine. I feel completely fine. Fine? Look at you. You have the plague. You were trying to conceal it from us, your brothers in the Order. Was that your intent? To spread the malady to us?
No, friend. I tell you, I am well. As fit as ever. Put down your weapons. Just think for a moment before you...
He was sick. Very, very sick. That much I'm sure of. Now to find some way to dispose of a body without spreading his illness.
Kill the imposters. Burn their bodies when you're done. That works. That works. For me, at least. Is there a dog here? I know there's a room where there's a dog somewhere. Beep. Hi, Artificer Bartholomew. I would appreciate it if you would consider promoting me to your apprentice formally, so that I might work with you full-time. Thank you, Humphrey. Wonder if that happened. The Young Prince of Tivia. Read. Who needs arrows? Not the knight itself. Sorry. Okay, I'm fine. Cool. Awesome. Workshop. Please don't come. Please don't come. Please, 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 please. Can I break this without anyone noticing? I can. Okay. Let's go shopping. The Metaphysica Mysterium. Yes. So the void is where I was, where the outsider gave me my powers. There's also well, it's not a DLC. It might as well be like a whole different game if it wasn't so short. But it's not that short. The Death of the Outsider, which is good. I like it. It's very different, but I like it. Campbell, we initially thought it a great find when we came across some of the crossbows that the assassin had been using to harry our patrols. Me?
I didn't use them.
The models we found, however, have proven lacking. Oh, that's that assassin. The Ottoman have greater accuracy and range, and I swear theirs reload faster. I'm recommending that we stick with pistols and sabers and count this as a lesson in where our strengths lie. Okay, I thought they meant me, but they meant Dowd. So, I think most of the overseers do not know about Campbell's motherfucking plan to sully my good name. Replacement valve. Humphrey, would you see to it that this valve gets installed in the little supply depot by the loading docks? The men have been grumbling about this thing for what must be months now, as if there were anything of value on the other side of that door it's supposed to open. Keep quelling problems like this for me, and you just might make apprentice. Bartholomew, I've seen the harness you've been devising in that workshop of yours. If you plan to strap explosives to my precious hounds and make living bombs out of them, you can count me out of your plan. I agree. I'm the master of the hounds here, and without my training, they'll never do as you request. Signed, Houndmaster Wharton. Yeah, that is cruel. Overseer Humphrey, about the music box. I left you a copy of the ancient music so you might familiarize yourself with the principles. I'm employing in the latest variation of Holger's device, or the music box as most men call it. As you should know, it produces harmonies that render heretical energies or magic inert through counterbalancing mathematical principles. Read the book and then make yourself useful by finding us some subjects to test it on. This city is choked with corruption and superstition, so I trust you won't have to look far. Signed, Bartholomew. Excellent. The ancient music.
We cannot doubt the effectiveness of Holger's device, or the mathematical beauty of the music itself. We've seen it in action against the forbidden practices too many times to deny it. But the question no one wishes to ask is the incantation itself black magic? The boxes are priceless, but what's inside?
Yes, you're all heretics now. You're no better than me. Boy, oh boy. Did I get rid of all of them, or are there 2 more pairs of these bastards? Okay. try. Ah! Sorry. I don't think I overreacted, actually. So I didn't pick up the valve because I think I can get in there through different means. Bitch! Scroll properly! Thank you. I apologize for my tone. This scroll wheel, I keep scrolling up and then it goes all over the place. I also need to get a new controller for when I play games with controllers. That motherfucker. Sorry. Such a moody bitch. Gross. There's a door for this joint. No piss vision. We ball. Can I choke this guy out? No. I can only kill, but I don't want to. It's dumb. 6th stricture. Could have waited until those guys leave so I can break it nice, but fuck it, we ball. Is that all there was here? Oh, really? Hiss. Oh. Alright, I'll take this as consolation prize. Right, now I only have to get into the valve place, but I think I can get into it from the other side. Did I ever find the 203 place? Day 15, month of timber. I managed to steal away one of the charms they were smashing in warehouse. Smashing them. Such beautiful and powerful things, and my brothers have no idea. They'll never find me back here, though. Nobody ever comes back here. I can break up the door, and they'll never find me. It's all mine. What is it even? Is it a whirlwind? A whirlwind? A whirlwind? Call to the spheres. Read it. Where's the 204 save? I'm sure I was already there, but... Oh, Sam! Sam! Sam, look up here! Sam! Alright. Alrighty. I'm sure I've already been to the place. And I walked past it. Most entirely sure of that. Hiss? Fuck it. We ball.
Is that you?
Yes. I'm coming. Samuel, I'm coming. Did I get all of the things? I'm gonna press the heart on Samuel. We'll find out everything about him. Hello.
It's Samuel. I'm here.
Samuel Beechworth went to sea to forget a hopeless love. He succeeded.
Well, yeah. Success.
The way I hear it, Campbell lived a pretty posh life. Maybe it's not my place to say, but men of the faith shouldn't live like barons. Are you ready to go?
Yeah. Yeah, it's like... It depends on how you get your fortune. Like, you can be rich and a man of faith, but unfortunately, I don't think there's a lot of morally right or good ways to hoard wealth. So, yeah, taking back.
Okay, let's go.
That went well, I think, mostly. Alright, hostiles killed. I killed 4 hostiles. I remember one of them. That one? Or was that the... No. What? Oh, it was the whole... It was a whole mission. Okay, I don't think I killed anyone in this recording session. So, that's good. That's good. Okay, I found all the runes and bone charms and shrines and paintings. Okay, helped Granny infect the Bottle Street gang. Sorry about that. Rescued Griff, the scavenger. Branded Campbell as a heretic. Saved Captain Curnow and saved Elsa from zealous overseers. That was good. And I think that's about what I wanted to record today. It's a shorter recording session, but you will never know unless you look at my clothes. Because I wear a different shirt now.